This year on Great British Menu, Michelin starred heavyweight Francis Atkins, whose father fought on D-Day itself.
What rank was he? Captain, is that?
Hello, my name is Francis Atkins. I am standing here in my development kitchen. It's small but very, very compact, so therefore we wanted to make sure that the colour was light. So we called Mayfair Granite, and we got these lovely marble work surfaces, of which I'm thrilled with. It's made a big difference to this kitchen, and the most important thing is it's clean and efficient, and we're really delighted with it. We do a lot of preparation work here, development of our dishes, because being a Michelin starred restaurant, you have to make sure your dishes are absolutely perfect. So all I can say is I found Mayfair Granite staff to be helpful, courteous, on time, and not too expensive.